Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to log in to Amazon Prime. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification onto our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So for this, go to your browser and type Amazon Prime login and then click enter, and over here as you guys can see, welcome to Prime Video, click on it. And then you can click on sign in, which is at the top. Just click on it. And over here, if you already have an Amazon account, you can just enter the email and password over here and click on sign in. But if you don't have an Amazon account, you can create an Amazon account over here. Now, I already have an Amazon account, so I'm going to enter the details over here. After entering the detail, click on sign in. Now, this is a normal Amazon account, okay? It is not a Prime account, just remember that. Now, after this, it's gonna send you a link to your Gmail account which you used when you were creating the Amazon account. So this is the Gmail which I used, and this is the link it sent me. So I'm just gonna copy this link and then paste it in my browser. And over here, it's gonna send me to this website. Someone who knows your password is attempting to sign into your account, and click on approve because it is my account. So I'm gonna click on approve. Just checking if that's my account or not, and boom, so that's how you create an Amazon Prime. Now if you want to watch a Prime video, you can just go to amazon.com to watch, and buy the subscription type and watch the video. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.